know about Ian Stewart? Ian Stewart is a mathematician who is best known for engaging the public with mathematics and science. Based on him, we live in a universe of patterns. In this chapter, we will be looking at some of these patterns and regularities in the world. As rational creatures, we also tend to identify and follow patterns whether consciously or subconsciously because it feels natural, like our brain is hardwired to recognize them. Early humans recognized the repeating interval of day and night, the cycles of the moon, the rising and falling of tides, and the changing of the seasons. Awareness of these patterns essentially aided humans with survival. In a similar fashion, many flora and fauna also follow certain patterns: the arrangement of leaves and stems in a plant, the shape of a snowflake, the flower petals, or even the shape of a snail's shell. What do you think? Do you also notice these patterns around you? What other examples could you think of? In the most general sense of the word, patterns are regular, repeated or recurring forms or designs. We see this every single day. From the look and layout of floor tiles, the size of skyscrapers, to the way we tie our shoelaces. Patterns are also exhibited in the external appearances of animals. We are all familiar with how a tiger looks, with its distinctive reddish-orange fur and dark stripes. Hyenas, another predator from Africa, are also covered in patterns of spots. Looking at a sunflower up close, you will notice that there is a definite pattern of clockwise and counterclockwise are spirals extending outward from the center of the flower. This is another demonstration of how nature works to optimize the available space. We are also very familiar with spiral patterns. The spiral is known as the Fibonacci spiral due to its origin from the Fibonacci sequence.